Papa's birthday dinner. Man, it was awesome. So Gigi called me. She was at work. I'm stuck at home. And, excuse me, I'm gonna get some coffee. And she said, I'm gonna pick something up for your birthday since we can't go out. And she goes, what do you want? And I said, I'm craving Daytona, or Hooters Daytona wings and tater tots. Who doesn't like tater tots? And she said, she's like my mom or my doctor or something. And she said, what'd you eat yesterday? I said, I had one of those little macaroni and cheese things and heated it up in the microwave. She goes, what'd you eat today? I said, I got up at 6 o'clock and had chicken and a biscuit. Yeah, and some coffee before my nap. She goes, okay. So what does she do? She comes home with this. I'm gonna send you a picture of what I took. Yeah, that was it. A sandwich and chips from Jason's Deli. I get no respect around here. She said, your stomach ain't gonna handle some Daytona wings. So Booger, no, I did not have my wings. But I told her, I said, we're gonna have those wings sometime before the end of this week. Yes, we are. I'll even drive up there and get them myself. Yeah. Is it Papa? Papa, Texas. See ya.